If you are learning to use the Bluebook, it is useful to tab the book to help you find different rules. First, you will need tabs to stick onto the pages. I have 15 tabs here that are each about 1.5 inches by 2/3 inches. I found mini post-it notes and cut them in thirds down to the size. Be sure not to write in the space on the post-it note above the sticky part, because that space will be covered by the pages when the book is closed. I recommend these labels for the tabs. These recommendations are based on what I have found to be the frequently used rules. As the editor-in-chief of the flagship legal journal at my law school, I have reviewed thousands of footnotes over the past year. You can customize the tabs to fit your own needs. Since I went to law school in California, I tabbed the California section of Table 1. But if you go to school in a different state, I would tab the section for your state in Table 1 instead. Law students in the United States typically use the Bluebook in their first-year legal research and writing class. Students on law review or other legal journals will also use the Bluebook to edit citations in legal scholarship. Thus, law reviews will often include bluebooking exercises in the write-on competition that students complete to join the journal. Law students who are research assistants also use the Bluebook to help edit articles of their professors. And now you have a tabbed Bluebook. If you are editing a citation for a case, you can quickly flip to the rules for cases. You can easily find different rules and tables of the Bluebook without having to remember the rule number or page number. If you want to learn more about the Bluebook, stay tuned for my tutorials where I will walk through how to edit different types of citations.